Pandemic learning. Parts of human body. Part 1 about eyes. Interesting facts of eyes. The eye is a sense organ. Eyes are an organ that allows humans to see things around us. Eye works like a camera. There are two eyes, left eye and right eye. Brown eye is most common eye color in the world. Around 28 grams is the estimated weight of the human eyeball. Eyes blink around 15 to 20 times per minute. Eyes will focus on about 50 things per second. Human eye remains the same from birth. At the age of 12, the human eyeball reaches its full size. 2 million working parts our eyes are made up of. Our eyes can differentiate approximately 10 million different colors. Eating carrot improves your eyesight. Watching TV, mobile phones, computer, laptop with close contact or for a long time will hurt your eyes. Do not read at start. It will damage your eyes. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe to Kids Pandemic Learning videos.